okay with you. And then, wait, what I say? I'm gonna do all in for Meg. Then we're gonna squeeze those. You doing okay, Carly? Oh, I just love Meg, y'all. Like, I can't. Cause she had me over here like, bro. We sold out Club. Wait, did Mari ever come back and say what she want me to do? About me. But we need to have a talk with your husband. No, for real. No, for real. If he here, if I'm still on live when he gets. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to focus on his attentions. Be nice to him. He believe in little tuk tuk. Hey, yo. We love a supportive man, though, that believes in his wife. I'll give it to him. Well, he believes in my supporters. That's what he believes in. Well, he believes in both. No shade. No shade. Karina, you in here still? Let me know when you want your fabric softener. I ain't forget about you, girl. Somebody does off you, yeah, otherwise. Oh, sorry. So sorry. I'm finna yell again, Pooh. Hold on. Look, girl. Hey, hush that up. You loud, man. Oh, you don't care? Okay. That's cool. Not hide the phone. Is that bad, y'all? Mari, I was asking, so Meg sold me out before you were sent, so I was asking, do you want me to do Panela for you, or Tea Tree Fab, or Ajax cans? And it can go in here or it can go in the rinse. That girl didn't block me. She knew. Oh wait, the fabric softener going in the rinse. I forgot. Never mind. Never mind, Karina. If you even hear. Is Mari gone again? Dang, Mari. See if I got a puzzle because y'all freezing. Okay. We're good still. TikTok looking for her. Oh Lord. Oh, that's what's getting me the R word? Because I keep saying the P word? Nurse J, are you still here? No, you didn't miss all the bags, but can you hear me? Okay. Just making sure. I'm about to do your bag now. Hey, Nick. No, I still got like 16 bags to put in here. Mari, can you hear me? Bro. Mari. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for the heart, me. Okay, Mari. So Meg sold me out before you sent your money for your bags. So do you want yours to go towards Penalin, Tea Tree Fab, or Ajax cans? And if you pick one of those, do you want it to go in here or you want it to go in the rinse? All right, Nurse Jane, we're about to get your bags going. Cause how much you said 9, right? Wait, hold up. How much you sent me? And if you sent 9, you get more than just pie. But Mari, hold on. Let me pour these real quick. Actually, no. Let me get you while you're here. Amari. Oh, because I'm saying Mari. I can be talking to you if you want to talk to me. Hi. You want the Penalin in here or the rinse? And Strawberry, if you hear tail legs, yes, please. But do a poll for Karina if she should add the fabric softener in here or the rinse. And then after that, do a poll for... Oh, thank you, Mari. We sold out, Kalia. Thanks to my wonderful, wonderful people, we sold out. I remember that. Right, Carl. Wait, who said the rinse? Here you go, Karina. Hey. Said the rinse. Okay. I got you, Mari. Go vote, y'all. It's a poll going on. Yeah, it did. I told y'all we got all the Ariel in here. It would thicken up. Yeah, moms can't vote. So sorry. I wonder why they have it like that though. Like, why y'all opinion don't matter? I don't know. What does the poll say? I think y'all just voted on the fabric softener because I don't know. I didn't see it though. Thanks, boo. You was right, Carl. In here, okay. Let me know when you want it. For